Before you start designing anything in Revit, you must understand what are the levels and grids. If you skip this step, your entire project can go wrong. In this video, I'll show you how professionals set up levels and grids, so your model becomes clean, accurate, and easy to edit. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are learning Revit step by step, you are in the right place. Today we are covering one of the most important topics, levels and grids. Let's get started. First, understand what are levels. Levels are horizontal reference planes in Revit. They define heights in your building. For example, ground floor, first floor, second floor, roof level. Everything in Revit that are walls, floors, ceilings are connected to levels. Think of levels like floors in real life. If you place a wall, it starts from one level and end at another level. To draw levels in Revit, from project browser, which is on left side, go to one of the elevation view. There are east, north, south, west. Go to south view. From top right side, click on the level command. From modify, select pick lines. From offset, give offset of 4000. Enter. Now click on this. You can create n numbers of levels. Go to level 23. Change the name to first floor. Enter. Second floor. Enter. GL. Enter. So these are the levels. You can create n numbers of levels. Come back to level 1 or ground floor. Now let's talk about grids. Grids are vertical reference lines used for alignment. This help you place columns, align walls, maintain structure accuracy. In real construction, engineers use grid lines to locate columns. Same thing happens in Revit. To draw grids, come back to ground floor or level 1. Go to grid command. Select first point, second point, first point, second point, first point, second point. You can also draw horizontal grids. So these are the grids. Now here's the powerful part. Levels control height, but grids control the position. Together they create a perfect building framework. Columns placed on grid intersection connected between levels. This is how real BIM workflow works. If your levels and grids are wrong, walls won't align, columns will shift, drawings become messy. But if done correctly, easy modeling, clean drawings, professional workflow. Now you understand why levels and grids are the foundation of Revit. In the next video, we'll start creating walls using these levels. If this video helped you, subscribe for full Revit course and comment levels if you understood everything. See you in the next video.